Hey there, this is Adam from Mecanto Reviews, and today I'm going to show you a demo of Video Spinn, a product that has just come out. I'm also going to briefly review it and tell you what it's all about. It's in a nutshell, and I'm just going to read directly from my review page before we get into the demo. And don't worry, this won't take long. But in a nutshell, this is a fast and efficient video creation software that allows users to generate multiple slideshow videos from their own images and videos with the click of a button. So basically the way it works is you will select a folder on your hard drive, for instance, that has images and videos inside it, and Video Spinn will generate as many professional style slideshow videos as you want. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. I've rated it very well just based on its user friendliness and efficiency, as hopefully you will see in a moment. One thing I really like about it, and here we are inside Video Spinn, one thing I really love about this product is that everything you need to do is on the same screen. This is it. Everything you need to create your videos, and you can create up to 100, which would be there, is on this screen. So the first thing I want to do is choose my source folder. This is the image, the folder with the images that I'm going to work with. And simply click Browse here, and I've already saved that folder. Now I happen to know there's 16 images in this folder. It's pictures of tigers, and the destination folder is where you want to save to. So I'm just going to make another folder off of my tiger directory, and I'm going to call it slideshows. Of course, you could save it to wherever you want. And now we're going to come back up here. So number of clips or images per project. This is how many, in my case, how many images I want to show in each video. I'm going to set that to 5. Minimum and maximum duration per image, that is how long each image will play for. If you want to randomize it, you could do 3, which means as your minimum, which means that each image will show for 3 seconds or long. Or basically, let's do this. Let's put 3 and 6. What this means is each of the 5 images in my slideshow will appear for between 3 to 6 seconds at random. If I don't want to show a random duration per image, then I would just do something like 5 and 5. So now everything will play for 5 seconds. Transition time. This is the amount of time that it will take for your video transition effects to play. I'm going to leave it at 1500 milliseconds, and this is expressed in milliseconds. And then I'm going to choose my transitions over here. Now you can choose one transition or you can choose multiple transitions. If you choose multiple transitions, it'll randomize which transitions are in effect for each image. So I'm going to pick 3 different images. Let's do zoom from center, fade to white, and cross dissolve. Okay. My video quality, you can also use this little slider here instead of typing things in yourself. It's really up to you. But I'm going to set the video quality to high. And the number of videos to create, this is really cool. I have 16 images, so I think 3 is a good number. I'm going to create 3 slideshow videos off of this one spin. Okay. Now if I want music, I would turn this on. This is my background music. So I'll come over to my folder where I have some royalty-free loops, music loops saved, and I'll choose one of those. Oh, I guess it wants to select by folder. That's interesting. So let's try this out. Over here, audio sequence is set to random. I wonder if I can make it. No? Okay, so it's going to take a random clip from this folder unless I go into that actual folder, and what I might want to do is since I'm creating 3 videos, maybe I can pull 3 MP3s and create a new folder. I'm just going to call it 1. Alright, So I have 3 background music files, and I'm gonna I copied the path. I'm going to paste it in, actually browse, that's what I'm supposed to do. There it is. Select folder, and the audio sequence will be random, so it'll choose a random background song for each of the 3 videos on from that folder. Intro video and final or outro video is basically, you know, an intro and outro if you have them. I have intro and outro videos that I use for my review videos, and you probably saw it at the beginning of this one that you're watching, and you'll see my outro at the end. But for these slideshows, I'm not going to have one. Just know that the option is there. Now, another thing you can do over here, you can put a watermark. So if you have a company logo or something like that, you can select the image from your hard drive, turn this on, and you can also select the position on the slideshows where your watermark will appear, as well as the opacity and scale as far as how large you want it to be. You can also choose whether your watermark will show during the intro and outro, but we're not going to do that. So these are my settings. That's how easy it was to set this up. It's going to save my 3 slideshows to this video, to this folder. And remember, I'm using a lot of my system resources by doing this recording. So it'll probably be a lot faster for you when you're generating these videos, but we can control resource usage here. I have it on normal, but I still would expect it to be fairly quick. Okay, I ended up pausing it because it did take quite a while longer than it should because of this recording, but it did finish. If you watch the official demo, which is actually on my review page right here, you will get a sense for how quickly VideoSpinn is expected to run for creating about 3 videos. But anyways, we have created them, so let's go and find them and check them out on our hard drive here. And that should be the last thing we can do, assuming everything worked to our expectation. So I have it under animals, and here slideshows, and as expected, we have 3 files. Now by default, the file names are Spinn1, Spinn2, Spinn3. One thing I forgot to show you is that you could actually choose your naming convention in advance. I could have done something like Tiger1, Tiger2, Tiger3, or Tiger Video 1, or I could have even just done that, and it would have numbered them for me. But anyways, I didn't do that, so by default it's called Spinn1, Spinn2, Spinn3, which is easy enough to change. You can see the file sizes here. And we did not use intro or outro videos, so we should have some very simple slideshows coming up. Here we go. I'm going to make it a little smaller on the screen. We also chose high quality. Alright, so that was our first one. There's the second, and the third one is here. have it. Pretty cool, right? That's how easy it was to create these. I think, you know, maybe I'm a little biased, but I thought they were pretty engaging. So this gives us a way to, you know, someone like myself and maybe some of you that might not have the most technical video creation and editing abilities, gives us the ability to quickly and easily generate multiple slideshow videos that in high quality that can be uploaded to YouTube, used for our campaigns. Now try to imagine that if I also threw in my watermark and also an intro and outro for branding, and even to take this a step further, and if you want to get some ideas of how far you can take it, click the link below my video, which takes you not to the sales page, but to my review page that you're looking at here. And I will also show you some examples of other slideshows that were created with Video Spinn under the review section. From here, from this review page, of course, if you decide this is something you like, you can purchase Video Spinn, and if you do, you will receive all of the bonuses shown here. If you don't like them, you can choose your own bonuses. I'm also going to be adding some additional bonuses that have just been given to me, so this list is getting even longer. And then, like I said, if that's something that interests you, the link is directly below this video. So that's about it. I just want to thank you real quick for your support and watching my video. If this helped you, I just want you to know that I do create demo videos on a weekly basis. So please do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these. My presentation style is generally always like this. I try to show it all to you. I try not to be too sales pitchy, but sometimes I do get excited about the products I review. And at the end, I simply point out that if you would like to support me and get some free bonuses in the process, you can purchase through my review page, and it's simple as that. So thanks again. Have a great day.